my name is Tony Jones. I work here in Nashville, Jensen Shoes, and we're going to go over just polishing black shoes, okay? Basically, it's very, very easy. I get a rag. Just any kind of rags you're going to throw away. Some people have a rag that they use with black polish anyway. You just use the same rag for black. Don't try to mix and use black for white or burgundy. If you're going to use one, just be consistent about how you use it. I'm just going to grab this cream, just put a light coat on it all the way around, just like this. A little coat all the way around, maybe on the sole too. Very, very easy. Just going to cover it up really quickly there. All right. You wipe it down a little bit after you put that on there. The other side, a little dry cloth. It's very easy. And we have a little brush here, which we have a little wheel here, which is a lot faster. But I'm going to show just a brush, lightly covered up like this. It's going to shine. It's going to bring the shine up. The more you do it, the shinier it's going to get. Okay. But sometimes when you rush and you do it really light, and you don't see the shine that you want on there. Sometimes leather's all different. This leather can get really shiny. Some leather is dull. So you got to be very careful what you're working with. Some leather you're just not going to get shiny because it's the leather itself. But this you can pretty much get really shiny if you want to. Some people want to see their self in their shoes. And that's how we go about shining black shoes.